Who is the king of the jungle? Who is the king of the sea? We've had a great week here at VBS. We've had music, arts and crafts, and Bible verses. Check it out. Everybody went?
Hi guys, it's Rosa. Super excited of all the fun things we did this year, from doing giraffes to doing frogs. Don't forget to enroll on time. Looking forward to seeing you guys next year.
Hey, Gio here. VBS 2018, super excited. A lot of kids accepting the Lord, getting to know Him. Afterwards, for Kids Church AMBC, join us. We're excited to see you. Jeffrey, 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 Jeffrey. Yeah, can I get a high five? Thank you, high five.
Hey guys, it's Safari Sam with you. We had a great time playing the skit, making the kids laugh, interacting with them, and just teaching them about Jesus, and all the teachers. Everybody did a wonderful job setting up the place. It was just, I mean, it was an amazing thing to see everybody working together as a team, just to be able to create this environment for the kids to have a great time. The kids this week definitely had a lot of fun. They enjoyed it, and we hope to see your kids next year.
Having a great week at Vacation Bible School. As you can hear, the kids are having a great time. You can also see we have an unexpected guest in the middle of our game. Thanks to all of our volunteers, all parents who let their kids come. Appreciate everybody who had a part, big or small. And hopefully if you didn't get involved, that you will get involved in our Vacation Bible School next year. Thanks a lot.
Child, you're forgiven and loved. Child, you're forgiven and loved. Child, you're forgiven, and child, you are loved. Child, you're forgiven and loved.